The majestic Thamarasheri Ghat Pass, better known as Thamarasheri Churam, is the gateway to Wayanad. It's a brand new sensation as soon as you ascend. It's the inevitable charm of Wayanad. Home of the monsoons, spice garden of the south, land of paddy fields, Wayanad truly is a land with many deserving titles. Located in the most serene stretch of greenery, this 5-star facility will be a fusion of design comfort and nature's bliss. Nucleus Properties aspire to create the perfect destination for travelers and tourists who yearn to become one with these alluring hills.